Hello everyone, I was just casually scrolling through the YouTube and I got the idea like there aren't any videos on mechanical engineering, especially in VIT Vellore. And every year I receive many queries from the juniors like how is the mechanical engineering, we got this so and so rank, is it beneficial, do we get jobs, a lot of doubts. I had it same, believe me, around in my time also. But there was no one to explain me the Pandora box that's going to lie ahead of you. So I again searched the YouTube video. Still after 3 years, there are no videos that are explaining like what we are going to expect in doing mechanical engineering at Vellore. So is it worth it? Is it worth it for the money you give? How is the campus life going to be? How are the faculties? How is the subject? How the co-curricular activities are going to be? We are going to address everything over here. So let's just move on. Basically, I'm currently in third year or basically fourth year. I just now completed my sixth sem and I'm just chilling in my vacations. So many people have the doubt like at what rank, what category they are going to get. So just it's random. No one has the answer to that in this whole world. So just to give a random idea, got category 1 around 17k rank, but I have people friends who got it around 40,000, 50,000 also. It can vary. There is no guess we can do. It's just randomized. There's nothing to it. That's fact. I have written about my percentile in JEE because that is maybe going to affect your decision, maybe. So yeah, I do have a 9 plus CGPA after 6 grueling semesters. So I'm going to say like what we can do to score good marks and if mechanical engineering is built for you over here or not. So basically, mechanical engineering VIT has 3 specializations. This too many people have lot of doubt like what is this. So basically it is divided into 3. First is the core, like just mechanical engineering. The second is mechanical engineering is specializing in manufacturing, and the third one is specializing in electric vehicles. Believe me, up to third year you are going to study the same things. All the courses are going to be same. You will have all the people studying together in a class. There are just few subjects in coming discipline elective which we are going to talk about. Just I think around 4 to 5 subjects which you will be studying different. Like if I am from electric vehicles domain, I will just study 4 to 5 extra subjects in comparison to my friends who are in core. Till our batch we had specialization in automotive, which is now been converted into electric vehicles. And there's another thing also, manufacturing engineering I think has a lower fee as compared to other two, but I don't think that is what going to play a role in decision making process. Manufacturing will have extra subjects related to how you are going to build a material, like 3D printing and all, like basically all the stuff that goes into while you design or manufacture a substance from scratch. And electric vehicles is the cool stuff like related to vehicles and all. So from this year I think they will be going deep into batteries which are going to be used in EVs and all due to all those EV revolution and all. So yeah, that's it. Also you can visit the link over here, which is the official VIT website explaining everything about the syllabus, the curriculum and all. So one advice I have to everyone in the future who will be watching this video, like don't go blindly into mechanical engineering or like that. Okay, I got bad rank, I will take mechanical engineering, let's see what happens. There is a simple thing. If you're good at physics in 11, 12 and maths also, leave alone chemistry. I was bad at chemistry. Chemistry is the only thing I was, due to which I am over here in VIT. Leave that. So if you're good at physics and maths, you will be like every course will be easier for you on a easier side, because the point where you left off in the JEE preparation, after that only we are going to start in the syllabus over here, maths and physics. So moving ahead to the subjects, so these are all the basic core mechanical engineering domain subjects which you will be studying. So first of all, basic engineering, that's what I said. You will be continuing from where you left. Chemistry is basically pretty much the same class 12th chemistries, just rote learning and you pass. Just that it's just one subject. Physics is also one subject, little bit extra, but you will find it similar to 12th. Maths is the thing which you will be getting extra. After the point you left at 12, there are, I think, four subdomains of maths. Probability, statistics, that's a whole different subject. Complex variables and linear algebra, that's another. Differential equation and transform. Yeah, pretty much three subjects. And that comprises the basic engineering package for you. That's just the base. Overall, if you will see this, the curriculum, I will say it aligns with GATE. If you don't know, it's an exam after graduation which you can give to get in PSUs or do MTech in IITs and all. So if you later on in any time, if you catch up with the syllabus of the GATE, you will see that it pretty much aligns, which is a good indication. And also I had talked to my friends in other colleges and all, government colleges and all. They were actually surprised to know that we are studying such advanced things and all. We also study some softwares which are, but they do study some outdated softwares over there, but we have the advanced ones and all. So it's pretty much a good thing. VIT tries to keep you aligned with the industry needs and all. So the syllabus keeps getting changed dynamically. Like you saw, we had the automotive till now, but during your time you have the EV ones. So yeah, VIT tries changing according to the rules and regulations, how the demand shifts in the market. So after that we have thermal. Like basically, if you can divide the mechanical domain into three different contexts. One is thermal, second is design, third is materials. This you are like bound to study. This is the like core. Under thermal you have like thermodynamics, fluid, the water flows, the Bernoulli's equation. In thermal engineering you will be studying about petrol engines, diesel engines, heat and mass transfer, how the heat exchanges, convection, conduction, radiation, etc., etc. Like you can get an idea on by from the name only. Next we have design. This is just pure physics, the moment of inertia, like how you do the FBD over here in 12th and all. So it's just a continuation of that. We study how the objects behave when they're in rotation, when they are in motion. When you apply force to an object, how it tries to deform. How when you put it in different conditions like temperature, pressure and all, how they do. We do it both theoretically and practically through different softwares like SolidWorks and all, which again will be a different domain if I talk into. Next we are into materials and all. Material science, metal casting and welding, metal forming and machining. This is basically how you try to form an object, then how you put surface finish on it. Like basically how you work upon an object you create. It's again like basically rote learning, I would say. It's more of a theoretical subject like that. So these three are the basic core subjects of mechanical engineering. After that, what you get is discipline elective and few complementary subject. Like as I said, VIT tries to keep you aligned. So 60 to 70% it's core mechanical and 30 to 40% tries to get you knowledge of other domains also. So programming languages, as we all know, the CSIT thing. So Java, Python and MATLAB, these are the things which they will be teaching you. That's compulsory. And after that, mechatronics is basically Arduino and all, the wire you join, LED bulbs, the motors, the like cool robo projects what you see over here in the social media. So that all comes under mechatronics control system. Then the other below two subjects are basically more towards the management side, like what how you like, for example, when you're transporting a good from one place to another, how efficiently and how the process can be optimized. So VIT tries to give you exposure on all different domains. You can get knowledge on electrical, you can get knowledge obviously on CSIT through programming, and you can also get knowledge on the management side, like whatever interests you, that works for you. So you're free to explore over here in this college. Now this is another thing a lot of people get fascinated upon. I was also fascinated when before joining. Actually, so these are the teams which you might have heard or may not. So basically teams are a group of bunch of students who work upon different projects and they go on competitions both in national and international. So basically we build our formula student team basically builds on racing cars, off-road ATVs, they build off-road vehicles that goes on through off-road obstacles. RC planes they build up like of three different sizes. So and there are drones, space rovers. Now recent and the teams whatever I have listed are just limited. There are more to the list as the demand grows. Recently they have added a hyperloop team also. So the teams are a cool thing, like you get to know practical exposure, which is a large leap ahead in other branches. You don't get this in other branches. You get to whatever you study in the classes you get to apply over here in the practically over here. Like if I start talking about it will get a longer list. We can talk about sometime later. So teams is one thing. If you get into mechanical engineering you will be fascinated about, and then there are again chapters which are SAVIT, ASME, and 2 to 3 more chapters which I have not listed over here. So they are basically a part of international group where you can get insights on whatever is going on internationally in the domain of mechanical engineering, and you can also get networking with peers and all. So these are basically the two co-curricular activities which you get in mechanical engineering if you choose in VIT in comparison to other branches. So that's, I will guess, plus point. Yeah, the main thing everyone wants to know about placements. Yeah, I was too very much doubted. I also still in doubt. I am like if I'll get placement in next year or not. I will not blame the college. It's basically the whole national thing, the recession and all going on. So you can't just blame the college like there are less jobs and all. What my general overview is, there are jobs. It's just decent, not good, not bad. The according to the these are the stats of the current seniors, like those who graduated this year 2025. The average CTC was around 8 lakhs, which is I will guess decent. Yeah, one or two PSU like this year they didn't visit, but last year they did visit. Actually, the placement scenario of this year was like little bad due to the global recession and stuff going on. Maybe that is what the college said. But last year the college were like college placements in mechanical engineering was good. I have seniors working around in good companies. All the names mentioned over here, like I think everybody knows about it. They do come for people, but yeah, the reality is they if you're like straight up fact, if you're a girl in mechanical engineering you are going to get placed for sure, because I don't know, for some random reason companies take girls first, after that boys get selected. That's a fact, you can't deny that. And placement will happen. Like you have to keep building on skills, have like decent CGPA around 8.5 plus. These are all the things that matter, and then again comes the luck. So overall insight is like there are companies but not much, not bad like that. So pretty much that was it. If you do have any doubts, extra doubts, you can try asking in the comments. There are people asking which college to go if you are going mechanical engineering, this category, this and all. So what my take is, if you're getting category 1, don't spend more than 15 or 20 lakhs in engineering. Like it's not worth it. In today's date, BTech in engineering is just in overall view, not just mechanical engineering. In just overall view, it has just become like just a degree. It doesn't hold that value. So don't spend more than 15-20 lakhs in any branch in whatever you study. Then there are people asking SRM, VIT, MIT, which college is better. So VIT I will say is more on a strict side. You might have read on the internet, like it has strict rules and all. So yeah, it is good. It has pros, it has cons. Parents like their students not to go in a wrong path, so they try to put people in VIT. It's not that strict, it's all manageable. But again, on the SRM or MIT side, you have freedom. You don't get locked up in a campus area, you're free to roam, party or do. But overall on the study aspect, I will say every college is same. And on placement side, VIT has a little edge over other colleges, but that's it. That are my opinions. what I feel after studying 3 years is just decent. Again, I will say if you're good in physics and maths, you will find it easy to sail through all the subjects. Is I study only during exams only, but by doing that only I got around 9 plus CGPS, so it's not that difficult for you. VIT does have a lot of exposures. The placement scenario is bleak currently, but that's just a scenario in whole country. You can't just blame the college. To avoid that, college tries to encourage you to go for masters or foreign institutes. VIT does has lot of tie-ups with foreign institute, which is again a plus point in this college. So if you're trying to get to any foreign institute, so VIT helps you a lot in that aspect. So pretty much that's it. See you in a later video. Bye bye. I made this, it was my first attempt in making a YouTube video. Hope you like it. If you like it, do drop a like, share to any friend of yours who is thinking or is in the same dilemma, and drop a comment.